How to archive pieces in Notion. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go at it through quick and easy on how you can archive pieces in Notion. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. If you want to archive pieces, if you head over to Notion here and try to archive it, you'll see that there is no any direct archive option. Now you have two different options. What you can do is you can use the inbuilt trash feature. So you can simply tap on three dots there on the piece and then you can move into trash. Now remember, even if you have moved into trash, you can undo it or you can restore it before certain time period. So what you can do is you can use this either to archive it, or what you can do is you can tap on three dots and you'll get the option to move to, and you can move it within another piece. So you can stack up pieces together to archive it as well. If you have set it to trash, you can head over to trash and you can proceed to restore it. Now remember, after 30 days it'll be automatically deleted. So if you have archived it on trash, then you want to recover it before you cross the 30 days period. So hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.